Alright, just a nice little video of a 16 kilowatt solar install just finished. Get some laser level heights done. Obviously after all the posts were whacked in. The longer posts 3.3 meters. They're in the ground about 1.1. Nice and solid. We've checked that timber out, and they're all bolted in. As you saw, 38 degrees is the angle of the panels facing north. This is in North Canterbury, New Zealand. We've got some nice rails on, they're all nicely bolted, looking nice and level. We've got a small concrete pad here for an outdoor cabinet for a Fronius 15 kilowatt 3-phase solar inverter. Yeah, trenches in, cables are in. I'm getting ready to compact it, put some tape in, compact it again. We use the old loader for that. Yeah, it's not looking too bad now. Inverters all in, completely wired. Just waiting for some solar panels to go on. We did in over a couple of days. Top row, get them all nice and level, and then finish the bottom row, wire them in, finish up the fencing. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty tidy.